Hey Team Labata, we're here at Werribee Open Range Zoo for the very first time. And guess what? Our Taronga annual pass gets us in for free. This is a must-do safari tour. Up close with the hippos, giraffes, and zebras, and even an ostrich. Both kids and grown-ups are loving every second. Next stop, Elephant Valley. These gentle giants are massive and magical. Honestly, we got totally stuck at the playground. When the kids are happy, we're happy. Before heading home, we squeezed in a quick stroll at Werribee Mansion. Check out these stunning views. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Like and follow for more adventures.